Awesome. Travels with Bertha comes to you from Knightingale Woods. Yeah, this is a popular dogging spot, but I think it's now been banned, thank God. We wasn't come up here for a barbecue, but we can now, because obviously the sign says no barbecue. And overnight parking too. Don't know why. I mean, there's no one here at night. We're not harming anyone. So I don't see why we can't park here. But this is been nice and peaceful. I've stayed here overnight a couple of times, but it's okay. There's no one else here. But it's just really, really nice. Yeah, so it's a little country park. It's just a loop, which I haven't even done yet, but I might do soon. So I thought we'd just stop for a sandwich instead. Okay, so no barbecue today, and no more fires. Very good. Chrissy Poo, say hello. This is Travels with Bertha. Yes, yes. Well, actually, it's about quarter of an hour from home, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, quarter of an hour down the road from home. There's a nice country park here. Absolutely beautiful, really beautiful. You get birds singing. Yeah. Right, take care. See you soon.